Hello dear students, I would be discussing few CNC programs with you all. To begin with, we would discuss few G codes and M codes which we require more frequently in programming. So first we would start with G codes. So the first one is G00, which is more frequently used. So G00 stands for Rapid Tool Travel. Now when do we use G00? When your tool is traveling rapidly, that is no material is removed, at that time we can go with G00. The next which we would be using is G01, that means linear interpolation. Now linear interpolation means your tool is going to travel in a straight line. Now it can travel horizontal, it can travel vertical, or it can travel in inclined direction also, but it would be in a straight line. Then the next one which we would be requiring is G02, which indicates clockwise rotation. So it is clockwise interpolation. That means your tool is traveling in a clockwise direction. After that we have G03, which represents anti-clockwise interpolation. Means the tool is traveling in an anti-clockwise direction. After that, we would be using G90, which indicates absolute programming. So once again we will see G00 indicates rapid tool travel, means the tool is not going to remove any material. G01, which indicates linear interpolation, that is your tool is traveling either horizontally, vertically, or in inclined direction. Then G02, which indicates that the tool is traveling in a clockwise direction. G03, which indicates the tool is traveling in anti-clockwise direction. And G90 represents absolute programming. Then we have G71, which indicates metric mode. Means all the dimensions which we are considering would be in mm. Then we would be using G92, which indicates maximum spindle speed clamp. That's maximum spindle speed clamp. Then we have G94, which is used to set the feed rate. So it would be feed rate in mm per minute. Now many a times in the question itself, they give you the feed rate in either in mm per minute or it is given in mm per revolution. So be careful, if the feed rate is mentioned in mm per minute, you're going to use the code G94. If it is mentioned in mm per revolution, you're going to use the code G95. Then we have G28, which indicates that the tool has to go to home position. Then we use G73 and G74. Now G73 is used when we have to remove the stock in turning. So it is stock removal in turning. And G74 is used when the stock is to be removed in facing. So these many G codes we are going to use more frequently in our CNC programming. After this, we would be seeing few of the M codes which we would be using in programming. To start with, we would be seeing the first one, that is M00, which is used to stop the program. That is for auto stop. Then M01, which is used for planned stop. M02 is used to end the program. M03 is used for spindle rotation in clockwise direction. Then G04 is used for spindle rotation in anti-clockwise direction. M05 is used to stop the spindle. So it is for spindle stop. M06 is used for automatic tool change. M07 and M08, both of them are used for coolant on, but M07 is used for mist coolant on, which means that the flow of the coolant is less. And M08 is used for flood, that is more amount of coolant is poured. Then we have M09, which is used for coolant off. And M30 is used to end the tape and rewind it. So there are many G codes and M codes, but these codes which I have mentioned here, we would be using in programs more frequently.